Celsius moves $10 million in Ethereum to exchange following bankruptcy plan approval. Crypto lending company Celsius has transferred over $10 million worth of Ethereum to an exchange on Wednesday, just 6 days after a judge approved the firm's bankruptcy plan. According to on-chain data tracked by Lookonchain, Celsius moved 5,160 ETH worth around $10.49 million to the institutional trading platform FalconX. The bankrupt company is currently transitioning to a new model under creditor ownership. Celsius enters new chapter post-bankruptcy. Celsius filed for bankruptcy back in July 2022 amid a wider downturn in the cryptocurrency market. Under the newly approved plan, Celsius will be converted into a crypto mining and staking firm called NewCo, which is expected to have a $1.25 billion balance sheet. A portion of this balance sheet will consist of liquid crypto assets that can be staked to generate yields. We noticed that Celsius transferred $5,160 ETH $10.63 million to FalconX. And Celsius also transferred a lot of tokens to exchanges and FalconX 5 days ago. It seems that Celsius wants to sell some assets with the rising prices. https://t.co/3g-auxineinagui. Pic twitter.com/ilhbk0ljy. Lookonchain at Lookonchain November 14, 2023. The transfer of Ethereum suggests Celsius may be looking to sell some holdings to raise capital as part of this transition. Ethereum prices have climbed nearly 70% since the start of 2023, recovering from the low seen last year. The timing could allow Celsius to offload ETH at relatively favorable rates. Ethereum sale prep Celsius for focus on staking. According to Lookonchain, Celsius has also recently moved various other tokens to exchanges like Binance and OKX. These include stablecoins, governance tokens like SPEL, and utility tokens like BAT. The bankrupt company seems to be liquidating parts of its portfolio across the board. Last week, a judge approved a restructuring plan that will formally sign over ownership of Celsius to its creditors. Under the new ownership structure, creditors are expected to benefit from the staking yields generated by Celsius' remaining crypto assets. Estimates suggest the staking operation could bring in $10 to $20 million per year. The decision came after months of uncertainty surrounding the fate of the troubled lender. Celsius halted withdrawals back in June 2022, citing extreme market conditions. The freeze left thousands of customers unable to access their assets held on the platform. IMG equals https://com/roman6/id/hq default. JPG all equals with equals 480 height equals 360 iframe title equals Celsius Nish 39 SNEW disclosure statement how much earn and loans is going to get back. With equals 640 height equals 360 SRC equals https://www.youtube.com/embed/mxn94nt4ki feature equals owned. Frame border equals 0 allow equals accelerometer. Autoplay, clipboard write, encrypted media, gyroscope, picture-in-picture, web share allow full screen /iframe. The firm's bankruptcy filing followed shortly after, with Celsius owing creditors nearly $5 billion at the time. The restructuring plan lays out the terms for creditors to recover a portion of the owed funds. With ownership now being transferred to creditors, Celsius is distancing itself from its former retail lending model. The approved bankruptcy plan explicitly forbids the newly formed entity from engaging in lending or rehypothecation of assets. Instead, NewCo will function solely as a crypto mining and staking enterprise, using protocols like Lido to generate staking yields from assets like Ethereum. Liquidating ETH holdings to exchanges aligns with this strategy pivot. The year-long Celsius drama highlights the risks associated with crypto lending platforms. Attractive yields entice customers, but overly speculative practices put customer deposits in jeopardy when markets decline. With new management in place, Celsius hopes to chart a more sustainable path forward. Enter your email for our free daily newsletter, a quick 3-minute read about today's crypto news. Sign up. IMG equals https://simg. co/p/ml300 jpeg all equals image class equals imgid equals newsletter pop-up img.